Hey guys, just wanted to make another quick video showing you how to turn off a really detrimental setting in Google Ads. This setting allows Google to automatically implement their recommendations into your account. This is bad because typically Google's recommendations are not actually beneficial for your account. The most important things to realize about Google Ads is Google's objective is not for you to have success. It is for you to spend more money. So it wants you to have expensive leads, but not too expensive. And it also wants you to get a lot of really low quality leads. That's the other thing that Google will do. If you get lead volume, Google makes you think that your campaigns are performing well, when in reality, you're just wasting time with low quality leads or low quality customers. So how do you turn off this auto apply recommendations feature? First, you go to all campaigns, recommendations. Here's the other thing about it. They make these hidden settings really hard to find. This feature, once again, you've got to have all campaigns highlighted, is located here. Boom. So you click on this, and by default, some of these settings will be enabled. Google will ask you to enable these settings many times during your account setup. You want to make sure all of these are unchecked. This is the only way I use sometimes, remove conflicting negative keywords. I just find most of the time if there's a conflicting negative keyword, it means you made a mistake. But not always. Definitely make sure all of these are removed, especially this. Add broad match, add music display expansion, new keywords. Those are all really bad. So you want to make sure those are turned off. And yeah, so that's how you can find the auto apply recommendations feature. Once again, this is a horrible feature. I've had it enabled. I remember when it first was released about a year ago, they enabled these features in accounts I've been managing prior to that point, and it really hurt our performance. It took us a while to figure out what was going on. So make sure you're turning these off from day one, and it's going to save you a lot of money. Cheers. Let me know if you have any questions.